morning, and thank you very much for joining us. We've got a number of items to touch base on, so I'm sure it'll take 15 or 20 minutes to get through them all. The first one that I'd like to touch base on is the last night, actually, at the President's reception, we shook hands on a license agreement between WhiteWater and Wiegand Maelzer, specifically for the SlideWheel product and technologies going forward. I had the great pleasure about a month ago of being in Chimelong, which is the most successful water park in the world, just outside of Guangzhou in China, for Mr. Su's 60th birthday. And my business partner and I, Andrew Ray, and I rode the SlideWheel and were incredibly impressed by not only the visual, the iconic nature of it, but the thrill of the ride itself. It was truly a great invention, an iconic piece introduced to the water park, and a very good ride, to which the conclusion was it would be very handy if WhiteWater had access to this ride. So Rainer and I have spent a number of hours talking about how that might work, culminating last night over a mini Oktoberfest celebration on IAPA with our license agreement. So I'm very pleased for that. And it's also been somewhat celebrated because we also were able to come together for a yet-to-be-announced largest water park in the world, in which we are jointly putting together the product for this huge water park, but it includes a SlideWheel as well, which we're both cooperating on. So I'll just pass it over to Rainer and thank him very much for moving ahead with this license agreement. Thank you, sir.
Hello, my name is Wiegand Maelzer, Wiegand Maelzer. In my back you see a little bit the product, what is happening. Actually the first ideas came up in 2013. We showed different models at trade shows. We had lots of people telling us this will never work, whatever you do. This is a product, a rotating water slide is not realistic, it doesn't work. Lucky us, in 2016 Mr. Su said, okay, I believe in this product, and we built a prototype 2017, and in 2018 on 1st of April the slide has been put in operation in Chimelong. Since that day we have more than 500,000 happy guests going down this water slide, which now is a black screen, I don't know why, but you should see the product here. It is totally unique. It is 24-meter high. It is rotating. You every 30 seconds for people enter the ride. And yes, you would see a lot on the video. Unfortunately, that is not working. Okay. Okay. So yesterday, as Jeff said, we had some talks of how this cooperation could look like. Beside that, we cooperate on the license of the SlideWheel. We also have the intention to develop the product further on, SlideWheel 2.0, 3.0, in general having a series of water slides that are rotating and moving like you see here. So we hope for a long-term, very good partnership with WhiteWater, and we are happy being part of the team.